This is another thing. I like to work to the mill, right? But low profile tray, 45 plus minus 5 mil. Yeah, so 5 mil could be out. 5 mil is a lot in my world. Do you know what I mean? Hell of a lot in my world. You can see what dilemmas we have to go through. My wet room there, I made it. It's not even a mill out. Do you know what I mean? And I is one person. This is a big manufacturing machines. I understand it is very tricky. And majority of these trays are always bowed and bent. And this is what other people do not understand. We are not miracle workers. When we're working to 0.5, it is what it is, but we make it look good. Remember that.